Hey guys, welcome back to the fourth video tutorial of our Android application development series part 1. In the previous tutorial, I have talked about the Eclipse IDE. In this particular video tutorial, I will talk about the Android Studio IDE, that how these both are different in the terms of the development. So as you can start the Android Studio from the beginning, it will give the tips of the day, which are the tips that you can easily use in your particular programming tools. The different tips will be there to with the codec ID also there, and the different tips regarding the another uh, functionalities of the particular IDEs are here. So these are the different tips that you can show at the tips on the startup, and you can easily deselect it if you don't want to see it. But I would like to get notified with the every time with the new tip of this particular thing. So I made it to show tips on the particular startup. So just close these things, and this is what the interface of the Android Studio IDE. Here I have configured one particular application of mine. This is where it is over here. So as we have seen in the Eclipse, the different layouts are there on the particular on-screen things are there. So here the same these are the things are there. The first one is the project is there. On the project that you are working is over here. It will list out all the directories of your particular project, and what this particular directory and what this particular folder will mean to us. I will talk about this in the later videos. So this is the project section is there. Then the structure section is there, which will give you the structure of your particular application, or the structure of the particular things will be there. Then the captures will be there, which will show you the nothing right now, because it does not have load all the things very well. So in the project field, you will it will list out the structure of your project, and the Gradle script will be there. What is the Gradle? We will talk about in the later videos over here. Then the favorites are there. Then the build favorites are there, where the favorites sections will be there, where you can see the breakpoints and the bookmarks of a particular project. Then the build variants will be there for the particular app, if you have already built or debugged the particular applications very well. Then the Gradle is there, which will show you the Gradle script over here if you have configured the Gradle in your particular project very well. And the event log is over here at the bottom of your particular thing. The event log will be there, which right now it shows that the Gradle build finish in the 14 second, and the 473 milliseconds. So this is what the event log is there. Whatever event the Android Studio will fire for each and every application, it will list out over here. Then the Gradle console will over here, which will show you the console console command updation over here in the Gradle console. Then the to-do list is there. You can also specify the to-do list for your particular project, and the current file and the scope based things which are listed over here. Then in the Android sections, the Android ADB will be listed out over Android ADB will be listed out over here, which will give you the location of the CPU, the running CPU utilization, and the running memory utilization. Then the ADB logs will be listed out over here. Then the locket will be the logs will be displayed in the locket over here. The same as the particular Eclipse IDE. The CPU, memory, locket, and the ADB logs will be visible over here in the Android section. Then the terminal window is over here, which will list out the particular terminal commands, and the whatever you want to display over here. You can also fire the commands from over here in the terminal window. So this is what the terminal window over here. And the messages are there, which will list out the particular messages that if your build has been successful, and the warnings or the errors are there. The number of errors and the number of warnings will be listed out over here in the this particular message window. So this is what the interface of the Android Studio IDE. Here you will list out the particular application. You can also select it to relate to the particular thing, and you can also set your particular layout from over here. So in this particular application, that how this particular layout will be visible, like see over here, the one activity main.xml, where the emulator will be displayed on this particular thing. We will see that over here. So this is how the particular layout of your application of a particular UI or the activity will look like, this one, and the interface of the particular Android Studio IDE is this way. The whole files will be displayed over here and the layouts will be displayed over here, and the layout of your particular application or the UI will be displayed like this one in the emulator window over here. You can also select the particular font details from over here on which how the application will be look like on your particular font. You can also change the themes from in this particular sections and theme app application theme sections, where you can easily set the themes for your particular application. You can also select the API version that you have downloaded in your Android SDK manager, on which you want to see that how your application will look like on the individual API levels. So this is what the thing. You can also you can also zoom in and you can also zoom out all the things, and you can also set another properties over here from this thing. You can also rotate your particular emulator and how these things will look like over here, that you can also see that in this particular thing. So this is what the refresh button is, that if you will if you want to see the if you want to change the orientation, then you have to see the you have to go over here and you have to change the orientation of the particular emulator in that particular field. So this is what the interface of the Android Studio IDE. Here the another things are listed over here. The Android device monitor is there, then the Android SDK manager is there, Android virtual device manager is there, as we have seen in the Eclipse IDE is same. And if you want to run your application, you have to just click over here. First of all, you have to select the particular application that you want to run, or you can also edit the configuration regarding your application. So this is how you can execute your application. Then different tools are there, different links are there, then the windows will be there, as you can see, and you can also see the active tool windows over here with the help of this particular all the things. So these are the different tool windows are over here. We will talk about at the beginning of this video tutorial. So now you are now easily get now you are aware about the interface of the Android Studio IDE, that what things are located at where and how you can make the most of the utilization of the each and everything. So this is what the Android Studio IDE is there. So thanks for watching this video, and please do comment for our better improvement for the next video tutorials. Thank you very much.